How to fix Wi-Fi issues after installing iOS 17.3. In today's video, we are going to find a guide for those of you who might be experiencing Wi-Fi issues after updating to iOS 17.3. Now go and tap on your settings of your phone and tap on the option called Wi-Fi. Go to your connected Wi-Fi and forget the network. After you forget the network, reconnect again, which might help you to fix the Wi-Fi issues on your phone. If it is still not working, again go to Settings. Go back to the main page of your setting. Scroll down and tap on the option called General. Scroll down again and tap on the option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, there are two options in which you have to tap on the first option called Reset. Now, what you have to do is tap on the second option called Reset Network Settings. To be processed, you have to enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, it will automatically reset all of your network settings, which might help you to fix your Wi-Fi issues after installing iOS 17.3. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.